That's okay, since you're affiliate now, we can clip stuff on Twitch. Fails. Is that a fail? Oh my god. Almost 11? Oops. Let's... Just in time. The timing though, that was perfect. We need a clip of this. So we have one. Yeah, I have minus one. It's always hotter than you guys. Sorry, not sorry.
Try to give some good info, but the other good-looking guy just gives crap and everyone is taking it. So, but I don't know on Twitch. I don't know.
Confused. Oops, a little burp. Of course, but that's with everything you know you can get away with it, so you do it. That's the super childish mentally. Some have. That was disgusting. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. I'm very ladylike. Arm and hammer, that's a good one. What was I gonna do? Of course, but that's with everything you know you can get away with it, so you do it. That's the super childish mentally. Some have. That was disgusting.